What's good, everybody? DRELAMARR. I'm back at it with another one. If you haven't been to this channel before, please smash the like and hit the subscribe for lots of content on the Mustang GT, my LS Core 30. Other than that, I do a lot of DUI, so if you like stuff like that, make sure you smash the like. But today, we're gonna see what Seafoam high mileage does to a Mustang GT with 187,000 miles on it. So if you're interested in how this turns out, you make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and tune in, and let's see how this works out. Let's get it. Now, as you see here on the instructions, crankcase oil, add 1 ounce per quart of oil in the crankcase. And I'm also going to put it in the gasoline. It doesn't matter, I'm gonna just pour the rest of it in there. So let's do it, man. And I'm on the way to work, so you know I gotta speed this on up. The reason I decided to Seafoam it is when I was doing the spark plug threads and I looked in there, the piston, I could see a whole bunch of carbon buildup on top of it. Plus the engine has nearly 200,000 miles on it. And hey, why not clean it out a little bit? So it says add 1 ounce. I'm an eyeball 5. I don't know what 5 is, but hey, come on now, get it in there. Get it in there. That seemed like 5. Could be wrong, could be right. Let's add a little more. Clean me out. Where that gas tank at? Let it rip, let it rip, let it rip. Get it in there. Treat your car right, it treats you right, man. Get that Seafoam in there. Every oil change, you probably want to do this. But just in case any of the filings from me doing the spark plug got through, I just want to go ahead and get the engine a nice little cleanse out. So let's see how it works. Alright, I'm at the gas station, just filled up, because you know my gas gauge is clunkers, but I'm on big full. So pay attention to the miles. We're at 197,998 points, whatever, you see it, man. I'm over here tripping, I'm so hot I can't even read numbers. 197,987.2. Now, we're gonna put at least 100 miles on here, because we're gonna break it in good. Might swing it a couple times, and then I'm gonna change the oil sometime this weekend, get some fresh synthetic off in there. So let's get it. Just hit 100 miles. Got some of this good Penn's oil, got a whatever filter, and we're gonna go ahead and change this oil. Hopefully this go quick and easy, but you know cars, so hopefully this won't give me a hard time. We're gonna go ahead and change this oil and take it for a test drive. So let's get it. Spilling it everywhere, big mess. New blood for Scar, man. Fresh golden premium Penn's oil. Put it off in there. So, my overall review of Seafoam high mileage after using it 2 times, once in my Lexus way over there and in my NEWEDGE Mustang, I would say yes, I definitely recommend it. After using it in my Lexus, when I changed the oil and put the oil in, I've been driving that car for the last month or 2 and the oil still looks golden. Originally when I changed the oil on this car, the next day I changed it, it was like right back black. So it's definitely has a dirty motor, so it may need more than one Seafoam treatment, honestly, but hopefully, you know, it didn't make it worse. And other than that, I definitely would recommend it to anybody that wants to clean out their motor. You can put it in your gas tank or in the motor. So I mean, $10, I mean, what can it hurt you, man? It can only help you. So I definitely recommend the Seafoam. If you guys enjoyed the content and would like to see more DIYs, man, I'm tripping, more DIYs or, you know, car content, because I'm overall car content, not just DIYs. I work on my car, I drive my car, I'm involved in car things, you know. So go ahead, smash the subscribe, hit the like, and join the family.